Hi guys, Watchkins here. This is my dad's old TV. Got it sometime late 70s, early 80s, I think. Check out the back in a minute. Nice little solid state General Electric. I have loved it. I remember hooking it up to a little antennas, watching TV when I was little. Of course, everything switched digital. Too lazy to get a box, but I was able to get a couple more things. A little slow. So right now I have Raspbian on a Raspberry Pi 3 hooked up to it. So let's take a look at the components that I have that eventually will hopefully go inside this whole case. And then maybe I'll do something with the knobs. We'll see. That's going to be a lot more difficult. Okay. Spin it around here. Okay. So it looks like we've got a General Electric College Park. Anyways, an XB2451YL. I don't know. I just love these old TVs. Here we go. Manufactured November 1975. So this is the TV. Of course, all we have are these VHF and UHF hookups. It also had a built-in antenna, which is cute. But, so, first things first, got these hooked up to this nice coax adapter, which I probably could get a smaller one that doesn't have these extra ports for each different signal. But then I have that going straight into this coax RCA converter, which I need to find one that doesn't have multiple, because I only need one. I don't need to switch back and forth. I do love that I can switch. Nope, I did that wrong. I mean, I kind of do. That way I could have something else hooked up to it, but right now I don't have any ideas. So, I don't know, maybe I'll use that one. I also don't like that that is powered, because the next step, I found this about a year ago. This is an RCA, literally RCA, to HDMI, unpowered. And it is so cool. Because before, all I had ever seen are powered converters at this step. It was a little expensive. It was like 30 or 35 bucks. But especially in this instance, I think it's definitely worth it. And then HDMI to the Pi. And right now I just have a mouse and keyboard hooked up. So, today I am going to try and figure out how to fix this. I don't even know if it's overscan or underscan. I'll have to try and adjust the image settings on the actual screen. And then using PuTTY and Raspbian to adjust the whole, I don't know what I did. Display. So that I only have things showing on this part of the screen. Ooh, that was pretty. So, let's see what I can do. Stop the video, but I didn't realize that it went into a screensaver as I was doing that. I thought I hit something in the back. So, let's see what we have. Here's the horizontal hold, which goes, yeah, all the way over to that edge. And all the way over to that edge. And with this TV, I cannot adjust the horizontal size, so I cannot squish it to fit. So I'm gonna have to force the video to do it. Where's vertical? Okay, here's the vertical hold. That really doesn't go up and down, it just helps align it. And then that, oh, that's vertical size. The other one's vertical hold, which does not really move it. But anyway, same thing. And if I can get it, then I can expand it all the way and have it chop it off. But there's also this weird overlap at the top. I don't know if you can see it at all. See? So hopefully if I can get rid of everything at the top, that won't happen. Really cool. Anyone that understands these old CRTs, can you explain that to me? I mean, I can physically understand. It's literally coming up and wrapping the image around. But yeah, so let's see what we... Alright, so here's my first attempt. I thought I was gonna do it through PuTTY, but I am stupid and thought I had Raspbian this whole time. I have OSMC, which I know is on top of Raspbian, but I should be able to change the theme back to the default theme. That did not work. I'm gonna go see if I can SSH into it and restore that config file. Otherwise, I gotta flash the SD card. Yay. Okay, a little update. I have found the config file. Of course, I can't find anything for the overscan in here, but after I get that fixed, I'll be able to start messing around with settings and trying to get the video to fit better. Yay. Cool. Want to know what I did? Me too. I don't have a clue. So, I'm really gonna have to figure out where to go. Yay. Oh, man, I wish I could read this stuff better. Yeah, not there. There we go. Try changing the aspect ratio and see what happens. It is on 4:3 now. So let's see. Pretty sure that's supposed to be a circle. That actually does not look too bad. Well, here's one of the things I've been needing to look for. Under skins, I need to adjust the zoom. Look at that. That's nice. Now I can really figure out where I need it. But now I can adjust this and try and center it the best I can. Wow, look at that. Ooh, I bet I can get a nice widescreen look. That's almost corner to corner. So yeah, let me see if I can switch to 16:9. Oh, okay, good. Whew. Okay, that circle looks pretty round. Oh well, I don't know what's up with OSMC now, but I've got video playing at a pretty good size, pretty good aspect ratio, close to what it actually should be. So I think I'm gonna call it good for today. Next time, I'm gonna try and either open up this TV and see what I can do from the inside, especially with fixing aspect ratio and such, Also gonna mess with OSMC some. See if that's even what I want to really use. 'Cause I don't know. Just threw it on here because it was the easiest, but that might not be what I need. So, thanks for joining in. Let me know if you have any tips, tricks, hints for me. Any questions? Not that I'd be able to answer them, but maybe someone else will. So, thanks. See you later.